Hi students, this is the second video from chemical kinetics. Now I am going to discuss graphs, okay? See, suppose this is a reaction. A gives rise to product B. It means that A is converting to B. B is the product, A is the reactant. With respect to time, product concentration will increase, okay? And reactant concentration will decrease, okay? So let me tell you that this is the sketch, okay? See, this sketch is reactant, okay? Whatever I am writing here is the product. With respect to time, I am writing with this sketch. What happens? The ink in the sketch will decrease. The concentration of ink in the sketch will decrease, and whatever the matter I wrote here will increase. Okay. So from this we are going to get a graph. That is, first take concentration of A. Concentration of A. I mean to say concentration of reactants. Okay. With respect to time, what happened? This reactant concentration will decrease. So it will decrease, but it will not become zero. Why? Why means it will be in equilibrium with the concentration of product. Okay, just wait a second. Now coming to product, what happens? This is the concentration of product with respect to time. Concentration of a product will increase, okay, but it will not, it will be at equilibrium. See, from this point it is the same. It means it is equilibrium, okay. It is in equilibrium with the reactant, and reactant is in equilibrium with the product. It will not become equal to 0 like this, okay, with respect to time, A and B. Okay, now I'm gonna give you a chart. See, take this chart, take a screenshot over. Okay, from this we are going to discuss the graphs of the respective order. See, this is the first order. First is zeroth order. Zeroth order. And this is the equation. And this is the half-life period. Okay. A is equal to A naught minus KT. A is final concentration. A naught is initial concentration. Now, compare this with Y is equal to mx plus C. Okay. A naught is C. Now on y-axis concentration and on x-axis time. This is negative slope, right? M value is minus K. That is negative slope. Then it will be like this. And this tan theta, it means a slope. Tan theta is equal to minus K. And this intercept is A naught. Okay. That's it. Now try to draw the graph for half-life. T half. Take on y-axis. Take on y-axis T half. Y is equal to T half is A naught by 2K, right? So y is equal to mx plus C. X place A naught. M value will be 2K. Here what happened? Positive slope is there. Is there any intercept? Intercept value is 0. So it will be like this, and the tan theta will be 1 by 2K. That's it. Okay. So take this first order. This is very, very, very important. Okay. Very important. I highlighted this. That much important it is in questions or graphs. Very important. Okay. See, First, I'm gonna draw graph for this equation. Okay. See, log E okay. First, try to compare this y with y is equal to mx plus c, and draw the graph. You will get it like log a e, x value t, and negative slope is there. Tan theta value will be minus k. Tan theta value will be minus k, and this intercept will be this. Understood? Now there is another many other graphs are there for this. You have to convert this equation into another one so that you get the graphs. Okay. Now we know that log EA is equal to 2.303 into, okay. Now try to convert this in log 10 form. Okay. Then you will get minus KT. Very important chemical kinetics. Easy chapter and important chapter. Okay. That's it. For this graph, for this equation, you have to draw the graph. Here I will draw. This is y, and this is c, and this is mx. T value same. Tan theta value will be differ. Okay, that will be minus k by 2.303. Here minus k. Here minus k by 2.303. And this intercept value will be same, log a naught. We are if log 10 is there, by 2.303. If log e is there, minus k. That's it. Okay. Now there is another form also there, that is exponential form. Very important. See, first order reaction will never ever complete. Okay, it will never complete. So draw the write this. What you will do? Log A minus log B equal to log A by B. Log formula that is, okay. Now take this in exponential form. You will get A upon A naught is equal to e to the power minus kt, and A is equal to A naught into e to the power minus kt. Okay. This is exponential form of first order reaction. Okay. From this reaction we can say that, from this equation we can say that first order reaction will never complete. Okay. E to the power minus kt. Okay. Now see, this is y. Y is equal to mx plus c. Like this take, and on y-axis exponential form you take. Y-axis a you take, and with respect to time, when time is equal to 0, what happens? The concentration of A is equal to A naught. Okay. How? See. to e to the power minus 0. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Here minus 0 is there. You can write it like this, and that's it. So a naught. And when time is at infinity, what happens? A is equal to a naught into e to the power minus infinity. A is equal to a naught into 1 by e to the power infinity. Which is equal to infinity. So it will never complete. From this equation only we can say that first order reaction will never complete. So from next T half is equal to 0.693 upon K. Here half-life time is independent of concentration. So T half, when you take the concentration, it is independent. Okay. First order graphs are completed. Now nth order reaction. This formula is very easy and very important. Okay. Please read this formula. Scan this formula with your mind. Okay. See. T is equal to, for n is equal to 2 you substitute here, you will get 1 by K into 1 by A minus 1 by A naught. A naught is initial concentration, A is final concentration. Kt is equal to 1 by A minus 1 by A naught. And 1 by A is equal to 1 by A naught plus Kt. Okay, from this draw the graphs. For n is equal to 2, for second order reactions, concentration, time, this is 1 by A naught, and tan theta is equal to K. For n is equal to 3, what you will get? Time is equal to 1 by K, 1 by 2K into 1 by A square minus 1 by A naught square. So when you try to draw the graph for this, it will be like this. From this also you can say what is the order. And tan theta is equal to 2K. That's it. I completed graphs from order of these reactions. So thank you so much for watching this video. Next video will be uploaded soon. Until that, practice these videos. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Tricks in JEE and NEET channel.